Love me or hate me, I'm about to save you guys a lot of time. The rear cab vents on my truck were leaking water every time it rained. And I got online and I watched the YouTube videos on how to replace these things, and everybody's showing taking the whole interior out. Let me save you a tremendous amount of time. Alright, as you can see, that vent over there is new. This vent over here is gone. You have a big gaping hole in the back of the truck. I took all the interior out to get to the back of the cab. Alright, like any other sane person is. But you'll notice this one is in and the vent's gone. The vent's already damaged. What are you worried about? It's a $20 piece off Amazon. Why are you worried about it? Take a pry bar and stick it down and set it on top of the vent. Alright? As you can see, this is a 3-foot long pry bar and it is long enough to reach. Take it down and set it on the top of the air vent. The air vent is broken. You have nothing to worry about. Then pop your hand on the end of the pry bar and the vent will just fall out. That's it, sitting right there next to my other truck. So there you go. There's the two vents side by side. You can see the new one's got the nice new seal on it. And you look at this one, you see it's wore out. The seal's just falling off of it. And you can see, I just popped the top lock right off of it. And out it came. This is a clean Georgia truck, so I didn't want to scratch it. And guess what? There's no scratches because I just broke the top of the vent out. Life goes on, guys. Quit making everything so difficult. Alright, so here we are under the truck. You can see the hole where the vent goes. Yes, I could spend time cleaning that, but I don't have time today, and as easy as they are to take out now, I'll just do it later. I'm more worried about not having rain in the back of my truck. Slide the vent in the hole. You can see the bottom's lined up. Sit in the hole and reach up in there and snap. New vent is in, and if I had known this to start with, I wouldn't have had to remove any of my interior. I would have had this all done in less than 15 minutes. The more you know.